You wanna go up there?
Hang on. There we go. It's just the batteries come loose.
Oh, this is sick.
Oh, fine. Mystery house. You don't know why this is abandoned or how old it is then?
No, I've got no idea. I did speak to a local guy that walked past and was going in.
Yeah.
Said it was maybe 10 years old.
Alright. It's pretty
I thought
smashed for 10 years old.
I thought it was kind of modern because they have V-locks upstairs.
Yeah. Eh? Cheeky porch. Oh man, good.
Motorcycle.
Has it got a date?
What's the date? Look underneath. Is it newspaper?
Yeah. Pay back mad. Oh, what the fuck? Toilet, mate.
I'm not even going in there.
Yeah, you don't want to see what's inside. Fat showering things. Seat in the showering. Ah, maybe it was owned by an old person. Ah, maybe that's why it's abandoned.
What's that?
Seat in the showering. Old people die.
Dead old people. Yeah.
House.
He wants something.
Yeah, there's the penis for this video. Always.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, penis. Oh. Fair dues. Oh, your mum. Sketchy floors.
Yeah.
We love a sketchy floor. Place is coming down. Love a little microwave in the bath. That's always good. Cheeky bath microwave, just in case you're just dead of life. I like being toaster, wouldn't it? Oh, music sheets. Oh, do you know what would be really weird? You know what would be really weird? When I edit this to find this piece of music and put it in the video. So it's like the music of the house.
The music.
Yeah. If only there was a piano in here. That's the dream. Grand piano. Still stood. Really sketchy floors, Jesus.
September 11th, 1984.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Although, what date was the other one? This could have been...
I couldn't find one on this.
No, on the one downstairs.
Oh, that wasn't one.
Ah.
September 11th, 1984.
Damn. Although, to be fair, in my house, we found newspapers in the wall, like old ones.
Yeah.
So it could be the same thing here, rather than... That's been here since 84. Although the place is proper coming down.
What are these?
Ooh. That's intense. Or that for an empty room. Sick.
I found a tool.
Oh, mate.
I'll leave it.
Solid.
'82.
True.
June 11th.
I love how the only person that can actually kind of do graffiti doesn't have a spray can. You just use a pen.
But yes, let's use this fucking Sharpie.
It's like the broke dude that actually has talent.
There's a weird thing in the attic.
You get in there?
Yeah, up there. Climbed up there.
Oh, have you?
I don't want to get on the roof. Can I get on the roof? Will you take a photo of me?
Yeah. Well, from outside?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fat penis again. Standard.
You want to go up there? You can get up.
In my boots? Probably not.
No? Alright, I'm going to do it then. You shine the light.
Yeah.
I almost got stuck last time. I had to sort of swing myself down.
Yeah, don't fall.
Yeah. Bit of a drop.
I might pass the camera up to you so you can have it.
Yeah.
Little.
I'll show you Turban Jesus.
Turban Jesus.
Turban Jesus.
Careful. You good? You good?
Yeah.
I thought he was coming down then, mate. That's going in the intro to this video.
Oh, and I'll grab Turban Jesus for you.
Oh, what? I thought it was like a drawing.
What's that?
I thought it was like a bit of spray paint or something.
Nah.
It's an actual thing.
Oh, he's too early. Turban Jesus.
Put the camera up. No, lie down and reach.
Nice. Yeah, look at that.